Hi my love. So as we all know that this is the season for this trending kinky boho braids, and my client here, she has this kind of funny hair that usually have smaller growths. Natural, I usually get rough on time, so I had to use wool to pick her hair from scratch. So this was the end result. We used baby wool. Brazilian wool did not work for us, and after the whole thing, this was the outcome. It was longer than the first one and it came out like this, and she really liked it. So this other video is showing us how you can maintain this hairstyle on a daily basis. Once you see that it's getting rough, the first most important place to maintain is your edges. You can use your gel or your edge control for that. If you're using an edge control that turns white, you can always use the normal black gel. So the work of the black gel is to make the edge control not to turn white, after which you use a scarf to lay it down. When you look at my client, the first person, the hair looks puffy, but if you don't want it to be puffy like that, maybe you feel it's too puffy, just take a scarf, tie your scarf, it will go down. By the time you tie the scarf for like 30 minutes, maybe you're going to work, you can tie the scarf overnight. In the morning it will go down, and you can style whichever way you want. After the scarf, apply your mousse if you have mousse. If you don't have mousse, apply your hair cream or your oil or your sheen spray, whatever. Apply that. So your mousse, your oil sheen or your hair cream is okay. Then your edges, it is very important. These are the ways you can maintain this hair. Remember, it's just like you're carrying dreadlocks. You can style it whichever way. There are a series of styles you can style this hair in. The first video, there were styles that there were different styles. It was styled in different ways, and apart from those styles, you can as well style it in different ways. So after applying, using your scarf, style it to your desired style. Use your mousse, use your hair cream or your oil. That's basically it. See you in my next video, guys. Thank you so much for joining me. Bye.